Do you want to turn your ordinary photo into a stunning cartoon masterpiece in just a few minutes? Well, you're in the right place. In this Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through a powerful technique that will make your portraits pop with a vibrant, cartoonish charm. Let's start by opening your photo in Photoshop. Now press Ctrl+J to duplicate your original image. It's always a good idea to work non-destructively, and duplicating the layer is our safety net. Rename the duplicated layer to Base. This will be the layer we apply all our skin smoothing and shading effects to, so keeping things organized is key. Right-click on the base layer and select Convert to Smart Object. This might sound fancy, but it's just a way to apply filters in a non-destructive manner, meaning you can always go back and tweak them later. With the base layer selected, go to Filter, Blur, Surface Blur. This filter will help us create that soft, airbrushed look that's perfect for cartoon skin tones. Use the following settings. Radius, 25 pixels. Threshold, 30 levels click. OK, and you'll notice the skin instantly looks smoother, like it's ready to be turned into a comic book character. This step removes small details, giving us that clean cartoon foundation. Now let's work on those sketch lines that give that hand-drawn feel. Go back to the original background layer and duplicate it. Ctrl+J. Move this new layer to the top of all layers. Rename it to Line Art. Now follow along carefully. Press Shift+Ctrl+U. Press Ctrl+J again to duplicate this black and white layer. Rename it Inverted Line. Now invert the image with Ctrl+I. Change the blending mode of this inverted layer to color dodge. It will almost disappear into a white canvas. But don't worry, it's all part of the process. With inverted line selected, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and set the radius to 1.5 pixels. Now select both the inverted line and the layer below it. Then press Ctrl+E to merge them. Rename this new layer to Sketch Lines. And set its blending mode to Multiply. Adjust the opacity to around 70% to soften the effect. Go back to the base layer. Yes, the blurred one. And head over to Image, Adjustments, Posterize. Set the levels to 5. This transforms the smooth gradient tones into sharp, blocky color segments. Just like you see in classic cartoons. It's one of the most important steps to get that iconic cartoon shading style. Let's bring our cartoon to life with color. Create a hue saturation adjustment layer right above the base layer. In the Properties panel, set Saturation, +35 Lightness, +5. This gives your artwork that extra pop, the kind that turns heads on social media or grabs attention in a YouTube thumbnail. Now for the cherry on top. Press Shift+Ctrl+Alt+E to create a merged visible layer on top of everything. Rename it to Sharpen. Go to Filter, Other, High Pass, and use a radius of 1.5 pixels. Now change the blending mode of this layer to Overlay. And there you have it, a jaw-dropping cartoon effect created from a simple photo. Your image becomes sharper and more vibrant, with enhanced edges that really make the cartoon lines. If you loved this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop magic, and ring the bell icon so you never miss a creative trick. Have questions, or want me to cover another effect? Drop a comment below. I read and reply to each one.